Welcome to the Shawka pools. Good morning. Welcome to another episode. OTT in the house. Off-trail. It's been a while. And I find myself in the Shawka Valley yet again. Last time I tried to find this place, but I got a little bit lost. It's a long story for another time, but yeah, I made it this time, and it did not disappoint. It surprises me to see like what a little bit of water can do to such a barren landscape. The desert over here, I would say not desert, but the rocky mountainous areas over here kind of transform when there's these little pockets of water along this waterbed. Still pretty dry, but all life needs is a little bit of water to flourish. Brilliant. Shawka pools, they are called. Not for the faint of heart, because the minute you enter the valley, there's a little bit of a tricky rock face. You've got two choices. Either you go into the water, wading, it's probably about hip deep, and then be wet for the rest of the hike, or you go on the cliff face, which is a little nerve-wracking, but at least you're dry for the rest of the walk. Obviously I'm fairly dry, as you can see, but I love this place. Just spent a couple of hours here with the camera. The thing with this place is the moment you go quiet and you let silence take over, you start hearing sounds, and then when you look closer, you start finding life. I love that part about this place. So much life here. Love it. Yeah, even the road to this place is pretty damn epic. Bloody hell. If it weren't for the Jeep, there's no way I could have made that road. That road is phenomenal. Hopefully you would have seen some of the shots on the drone this morning. Doesn't do justice as usual, but hopefully that gives you some scale of the sunrise. Pretty damn cool. Some of the farms along the way gave me some dirty looks. Who the hell is disturbing our sleep at 6 in the morning? Yeah, probably around 6:30. It's just breaking dawn. So yeah, it's a weekday. Highly recommend to get here early. Even though it's a weekday, you're not going to have the place to yourself, but it's still fairly quiet, even though it's a weekday. So yeah, Shawka pools, pretty damn cool it is. Catch you in a bit. Anyways, that was it for the day today. Shawka pools, awesome place. I will come back again 100% and see what else I can find. I didn't find a snake. It is notorious for the vipers and some non-venomous snakes as well. Not lucky today, so definitely will be back for some snake spotting next time. Until then, see you next time. Hit the like button if you like this video. Leave a comment. What do you think about Shawka pools? And subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Until then, signing out.